Hey everyone, welcome back to our Western Sun Garden. Today we're jumping into part 1 of our top 10 high impact planters resilient container designs. These are container ideas that look great, perform well, and reflect where gardening is headed in 2026. We research current garden trends, industry forecasts, and practical design ideas for this video, and we'll be sharing sources throughout so that you can explore them yourself. In this first part, we're covering 5 standout planter concepts, pollinator-friendly containers, moon garden designs, prairie-inspired mixes, edible setups, and smart solutions for smaller spaces. So whether you've got a porch or a patio, or room for just one great pot, there's something here for everybody. So let's get started with a planter style that gives back the moment spring arrives. Spring is for the pollinators. Spring is one of the best times to build a container that does more than just sit there and look pretty. This season, one of the biggest trends is design planters that actively support pollinators and local wildlife. That means mixing bold colors, layered blooms, and long season flowers that help attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial visitors to the garden. Natural wicker containers are also trending right now, bringing in warmth and texture, while your treasured ceramic pots add a timeless garden touch. And the best part, even one well-designed planter can help turn your porch or entryway into a spring welcome mat for pollinators. For this design, we use plants like foxglove, zinnias, snapdragons, catmint, salvia, lavender, and wild geraniums, giving us a blend of height, movement, fragrance, and steady blooms. Our next design incorporates moon gardens, which are becoming a major trend, but they're about much more than white flowers glowing at night. A well-designed moon garden can help support nighttime pollinators, the overlooked night shift of the ecosystem. That includes moths, beetles, and certain flies, some ants, and even bats, all doing important work while most of us are asleep. One of the biggest challenges they face is light pollution, which can disrupt feeding and navigation patterns. It's a beautiful reminder that a healthy garden doesn't stop working when the sun goes down. This design uses plants like white gaura, yarrow, pale purple coneflower, mealycup sage, blackfoot daisy, evening primrose, 4 o'clocks, and angel trumpet for small color, fragrance, and evening interest. For our next design, wild and natural is making a big comeback, and prairie-style planters are a perfect way to bring that movement home. This look is all about layered planting, texture, biodiversity, and the relaxed beauty of native grasslands. Instead of tight, formal arrangements, prairie containers feel abundant, free-flowing, and alive. They're also highly practical, using resilient, low-water plants that support pollinators and require less maintenance once established. The result is a planter that feels bold, intentional, and built to thrive. For this Texas-inspired design, we use side oats grama, blue grama, buffalo grass, Mexican hat, blackfoot daisy, desert 4 o'clock, damianita, firecracker pestamine, and even Mexican oregano for a herbal touch. The next design we're calling the Incredible Planter, which is all about working smarter and growing more with less space. You can create something beautiful and functional right outside your kitchen on your patio. Vertical edible planters are perfect for busy gardeners because they're compact, efficient, and often self-watering, which means less effort and more success. Think of it as a botanical bento box: herbs, greens, flowers, and fresh ingredients all stacked into one small footprint. For this design, we used purple basil, Mexican mint marigold, rosemary sage, rainbow chard, cherry tomato, oregano, nasturtium, mint, plus edible pansies and violas for color. Our 5th design is inspired to be space savvy, which is all about getting a high impact from small spaces. This style taps into the trend of lemonading, taking the space, time, resources you have, then making something productive and beautiful out of it. Balconies, apartment porches, rail planters, hanging baskets, and window boxes can all become growing space when designed with intention. For this setup, we combined edibles, herbs, flowers, and vertical elements to make every inch count. We used cucumber, artichoke de Provence, rosemary, cherry tomato, star jasmine, snapdragons, pansies, violas, and a mix of herbs for color, fragrance, and fresh harvest. A simple search online will reveal a plethora of portable, elevated garden beds. With so many options, you'll be able to find what you're looking for. And there you have it, the first 5 high-impact planter ideas designed to be beautiful, resilient, and ready for real life. So whether it's a pollinator-friendly container or a moon garden, prairie-inspired design, edible verticals, or a small smart space setup, there are more ways than ever to garden with a purpose this season. We want to thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Now, if you have any questions about the plants, the planter setups, any sort of care tips, or which designs might work best for your space, make sure to drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. And make sure to stick around, and we'll see you back here in part 2.